Hi E4, today we're going to learn about perimeter. The learning intention. We're learning to find the perimeter of regular shapes. To be successful, you need to start at 0 and measure the length of each side of the shape exactly, if the measurements are not given. You need to add all the lengths of the sides. You need to make sure you add the units. You need to check that the measurement you give is in the same units as the question. Also, please note that if measurements are given, make sure they are all the same units. If they are different, make sure you convert them so the units are the same before adding the sides. So what is perimeter? Perimeter is the distance around the outside of the shape. It is calculated by adding the lengths of all the sides together. Here we have a rectangle. This is the outside of the shape. The first example. Here we have a rectangle. The lengths of this rectangle are 8 centimeters and the width is 5 centimeters. To find perimeter, we need to add up the lengths and the widths together. So 8 centimeters plus 8 centimeters plus 5 centimeters plus 5 centimeters. When you add those numbers together, you get 26 centimeters. Very important that you don't forget to add the unit. Here we have a hexagon. A hexagon has 6 sides. We need to add up all the sides together to find the perimeter. 4 centimeters plus 3 centimeters plus 3 centimeters plus 4 centimeters plus 3 centimeters plus 3 centimeters. When I write down my number sentence, I go in a clockwise direction for my shape. That way I make sure I do not leave out any sides. So this 4 comes from here, 3 from here, 3 from here, 4 from here, 3 from here, and hidden under here is another 3. When you add all those numbers together, you get 20 centimeters. So the perimeter of this hexagon is 20 centimeters. Our next example is a trapeze. We need to find the perimeter. Again, we need to add up the units, the measurements on the outside of our trapeze. So 8 centimeters plus 6 centimeters plus 4 centimeters plus 6 centimeters. Again, I wrote down my numbers in clockwise direction. 24 centimeters. When you add 8 plus 6 plus 4 plus 6, you get 24 centimeters. Here we have a triangle with sides of 6 centimeters, 12 centimeters, and 14 centimeters. I need to add up all those sides together. 6 plus 14 plus 12. When I add those up together, I get 32, and remembering not to forget my units, which are centimeters. So I record that next to it. And here I have another shape which looks like an L. I need to find the perimeter of this shape, the perimeter being the outside. Again, I'm going to write down my measurements in a clockwise direction. So 2 plus 2 plus 3 plus 3 plus 5 plus 5. When I add those measurements together, I get 20 centimeters. You need to complete the online quiz, Perimeter, to show your understanding. You will find that on Canvas. Happy measuring perimeter!